Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing a business technology and later on po the different categories or examples po na under na business technology. Alright, so business technology. Business technology refers to tools, system, and digital solutions that businesses use to operate more efficiently, communicate, manage data, and serve customers. These technologies help companies reduce manual work, make faster decisions, and improve products and services. To make it clearer po, imagine a restaurant that um, previously takes order ng manual or using pen and paper. This process po kasi is slow and prone sa manual error. For example po, yung wrong punch, order error, ganun. So, when the restaurant starts using a POSPO or point of sale system where orders are entered on a tablet or screen and then nagdadirect siya automatically sa kitchen or sa preparation area. Um, and dahil po dito, the work becomes faster po and nagre-reduce talaga siya ng error. Also, the business can serve more customers in less time. Overall po, business technology helps companies and reduce manual works and also to improve their products and services po. For the next slide po, Joshua will be discussing the examples of categories ng business technologies so we can see how these are applied in real business scenarios.
So here the example of email, Zoom, and also the Microsoft Teams and also the Slack. The first one is email. So yung email is the market manager nagsisend siya ng email to all employees and also ina-announce niya na, for example, is coffee product. Ina-announce niya na coffee product launch and also na-attach sa email yung mga promotional materials and sales guidelines, and also the staff members reply with the feedback and also suggestions before the final release. So for Zoom, the company of coffee shop, for example, is nag-schedule sila ng mga Zoom meeting every Friday so that yung mga branch manager from the different location is nakapag-discuss sila ng mga sales performance and also yung mga customer feedback during that call or during that Zoom. And also, the team nakapag-share sila mga share screen and also nakapag-present sila ng mga reports and yung mga plan nila together is nakapag-usapan nila via Zoom. So, the next one is Microsoft Teams. So, yung Microsoft Teams naman is ginagamit siya ng mga employees to collaborate on a new menu design, to design, team uploads, sample images, and also to share yung channel. While yung manager naman is nakakapag-comment and nakakapag-assign ng task directly in the app. So, meron din siya ng built-in chat and file sharing features, and also nakapag-help siya to team complete the project faster. So yung Slack naman is for example is the coffee shop with both dine-in and also online orders. So yung Slack is nakapag-coordinate siya daily operation. So yung barista is nakapag-post siya ng updates in the order channel when the drink is also ready. And yung delivery team naman, chine-check niya yung mga messages for pick-up instruction. And this one is keep yung communication quick and organized throughout the day.
Good day, everyone. Today I will be presenting about accounting and finance technology, a vital innovation that has significantly transformed how organizations manage their financial operations. In a modern business environment, accuracy and efficiency in financial management are crucial. Traditionally, accounting tasks were performed manually, which often result in daily and human errors. However, with the advancement of technology, this process have become faster, more reliable, and more transparent through the use of accounting finance software. Accounting and finance technology refers to software system used to record, track, and manage financial transactions. This system helps ensure that financial data is organized, up to date, and easily accessible. By automating various accounting functions such as bookkeeping, reporting, and auditing, these technologies minimize errors and enhance productivity. Moreover, they enable financial professionals to generate real-time reports, monitor cash flows, and make informed decisions that contribute to the overall stability and growth of an organization. This innovation also support compliance with financial regulations by maintaining accurate and secure records. Some of the most widely used accounting and finance technologies today include QuickBooks, SAP, Xero, and FreshBooks. QuickBooks is a user-friendly accounting software designed mainly for small to medium-sized enterprises. It assists bookkeeping, payroll management, and tax preparation. SAP or SAP, on the other hand, is a comprehensive enterprise resource planning system used by large corporations to integrate financial management with other business operations. Xero offers cloud-based accounting solution that provides accessibility and for collaboration, allowing users to manage finance from any location. Lastly, FreshBooks is known for simplifying invoicing, expense tracking, and time management, making it ideal for freelancers and service-based businesses. Its accounting and finance technology plays an essential role in enhancing the efficiency, accuracy, and transparency of financial process. It not only simplifies complex accounting tasks but also empowers organizations to make data-driven financial decisions. As technology continues to evolve, it will future revolutionize that accounting field, promoting innovation and sustainable business growth. Thank you and good day.
Some popular CRM platforms include Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho RCM. This system helps businesses stay organized, track leads, and build stronger connection with their customer.
Alright, for this slide, we will talk about e-commerce and payment technology. These are platforms and tools that allow businesses to sell products and accept payments through online. So instead of having a physical store only, companies can use e-commerce website or apps to reach more customer na hindi na pumupunta sa mismong store or mismong physical store. And common examples po niyan including Shopee and Lazada for online selling, Shopify for building your own online store, and digital payment tools like GCash, PayPal, or kahit ano pong online payment pang transfer for safe online transactions po. To summarize everything that we have discussed, first, business technology helps na ma-improve efficiency and decision making. by using digital tools and systems. Yung mga companies can work faster and make smarter choices sa accurate data. Second naman po, sinusuportahan po nito yung mga important businesses activities such as communication, money management, handling customer interactions, mga ganun po. And even selling products online through e-commerce platforms. And lastly, yun nga po yung business technology reduces a lot of manual work and helps businesses to grow faster. Pag yung task is automated na, or pag yung task is automated and napaprocess siya ng mas organized, companies can save time, reduce errors, and serve more customers effectively. And that's the end of our presentation po about business technology. Thank you po.